Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2024, our system has categorized SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.24. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 3.41%. This equates to an average return of 0.49% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines ahead. The present 3-month trend points to a possible decline of approximately 34.45% over the next 3 months, with a forecasted return ranging from -68.27% to -11.34%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 91.69% over the upcoming year, with a projected return between 41.39% and 265.3%. This would result in a price range from $54.85 to $141.59 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Strong Day for SOXL ETF price on Friday, rising 7.18% to $38.79. The SOXL ETF price gained 7.18% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 30th of August, 2024. It rose from $36.19 to $38.79. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 5.83%, with a day low at $37.06 and a day high of $39.22. The price has been quite variable during this period, resulting in a 2.37% loss over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 12 million shares, with a total of 84 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.24 billion. It's important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price is 44.65%, or $31.29, below the 52-week high, and 89.74%, or $339.45, below the all-time high reached on November 26, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The semiconductor sector is currently experiencing notable volatility, significantly impacting SOXL, the leveraged exchange-traded fund tied to this market. Recent analyses indicate that, following a steep drop of approximately 52% since mid-June, SOXL's performance has been better relative to other leveraged alternatives that have fared worse. The ongoing narrative surrounding artificial intelligence continues to attract attention, with many semiconductor stocks now being viewed as undervalued following a substantial technology pullback. This situation may set the stage for potential rebounds, especially if trends consolidate in the sector. The market dynamic is further complicated by factors such as the unwinding of the yen carry trade, which has introduced significant volatility and heightened the risks associated with SOXL. Currently seen as a strong sell, this exchange-traded fund's high-risk, high-reward structure magnifies short-term price fluctuations, making it vulnerable in unstable market conditions. In the broader context, while the inflow into leveraged exchange-traded funds indicates a renewed interest, recent trends suggest that investors who anticipated a technology rebound are facing substantial losses, raising questions about future performance. Overall, the outlook for SOXL appears cautious in the short term due to these volatility factors, but potential long-term growth could rest on stabilization and strengthening in the semiconductor space, aligned with the artificial intelligence hype cycle. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. The SOXL ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $40.30. Conversely, if it declines, the ETF will find some support from the short-term average at $37.91. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would issue an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, and thus far it has decreased by 7.05%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as a MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 97 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $35 and $31.46. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $35. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $31.46 and $29.34. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered very high risk. Over the last day, the fund moved $2.16 between its high and low, representing a fluctuation of 5.83%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility of the fund has been 8.82%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $39.78. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $35. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Currently, SOXL exhibits several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have adjusted our assessment of this ETF from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by approximately 433 0.10 of a dollar, starting at $38.36. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, we recommend consulting a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.